Divide 3/4 divided by 2.5. Whenever you divide a fraction by a mixed number, the first thing you want to do is turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. How do I turn 2.5 into an improper fraction? Multiply the whole number of 2 that lives out in front to the denominator of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Take that 4 and add it to the numerator. 4 plus 1 is 5, and that becomes your new numerator, and your old denominator of 2 stays the same. Now, you're not going to change 3 over 4. Drop down the divided by symbol. There you have it. Now, when you divide two fractions, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? That means keep the first fraction, change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol, and flip 5 over 2 to 2 over 5. Now we are multiplying two fractions. And when you do that, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now you'll notice those are both even numbers. So we can simplify this fraction, and then the way we do that is we divide the numerator and the denominator both by 2. So divide u by 2, divide u by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And our final answer is going to be 3/10.